Hello everyone, myself Manisha. I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I have done my Bachelor's of Engineering in Electronics and Communication branch from Truva, Bhopal. From the various years, I was trying to get a job in IT sector. So I came to know about Avision, which is an IT recruitment based placement company. So in Avision, I have enrolled for the online job internship program for 45 days. In this training, I learned about the various subjects like Windows administration, Linux, networks, CCNA, ITIL, cybersecurity. After completion of the course, I got placed into HCL with a package of 3 LPA, and I am also getting offers from other companies also. So thank you Avision for rebuilding my life. Thank you so much.